There is somebody called Doris, Dike, Doris. Doris, Dike, Malibrakatuse Keteshana Makaga. Rimasunda la Mama Shanda Akatuli Brakatese. Doris. Doris who? Where is Doris Dike?
Yes.
How many times have you come here? Have I seen you before? Where is your children? Where is your husband? The family yoke is broken tonight. She has been tormented for a long time, and this tormentation from the foul spirit have rendered the family useless. But tonight, bring her up so that her case will be finished. Doris Dike, for a long time, you have been tormented by these spirits. This is Tanya. What is wrong with them? Follow me. I lose your marriage tonight. You and your family have been tormented for a long time. The devil allow you to rest when he wants you to. Oh, let her go! Let her go! Let her go! Now! Go! Shabakato. Librakato Chana. Librakate Seketesha. I lose you, young lady. Come out of her now. It's a powerful spirit that doesn't allow her to rest, sleep, that move around her body for a long time, telling her you will die, making the husband not achieve anything. But tonight, the fire is on. Tell your neighbor, the fire is on.
The fire is on.
Shana Alebrakata. The door has opened for the husband.
God can do it again.
Nashana. Sister, stand up. Doris. Is your husband Isaiah 9 too? Is your husband Isaiah 9? And because of you, favor will come. And the Lord has destroyed something that have been frustrating the family.
Seriously, since I got married, it's like all the doors shut against my husband.
Yeah. Tonight is your night. Are you happy that your case is mentioned?
Yes, yes, sir. I'll be praying for this.
Have I talked? Do I know you? Huh?
No, sir.
Okay, mana the case is settled.